Welcome back. In this question, in this integral, in denominator we have x square and x square means what? X raised to the order of this polynomial is what? X raised to 4. Order of this polynomial in numerator is what? 2. Okay, so now we can apply the order of denominator is greater than order of numerator. So here we can apply partial fractions. Now what we can do is we can consider, since x square is there, x square is there, x square is there, we can consider x square as some m. Consider 2 x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 x square plus 4 is, now I will consider x square as some m. Okay, consider x square as some m. I will consider this is as a upon x square minus 1 plus b upon x square plus 4. You can say, since quadratic is there, why you are choosing only one constant? Okay, now this consider for time being. Okay, in your brain you consider this is some m. Okay, taking LCM, what we have 2x square plus 1 is equals to a into what? X square plus 4 plus b into x square minus 1. Now let's substitute x square equals to 1 over here. If I substitute x square equals to 1, then over here I will get on this equation, what I will get is here 2 plus 1 is 3 is equals to, this term is 0, so a into 5. Therefore a equals 3 upon 5. Similarly, if I substitute x square equals to minus 4, you can say why x square is minus 4. Just for time you consider x square as some m. Okay, so x square equals to minus 4, so minus 4 into 2 is what? Minus 8. Here minus 8 plus 1 is equals to, this term will get 0, b into, what is x square? X square is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 minus 1. Here we will get, here this is what? Minus 7. We have minus 7 is equals to minus plus b into minus 5. Therefore b is 7 by 5. So we have a and we have b over here. Okay, you substitute over here and then integrate it. Now if I substitute over here, then this equals to, this integral equals to what? What is a? A is 3 by 5. I am taking outside. 1 upon x square minus 1 dx plus what is b is 7 by 5 integral 1 upon x square plus 4 dx. 3 by 5 integral of, remember we have integral of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. This I will be using over here. Okay, similarly over here what I will be using is 1 upon x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, these two formula I will be using over here. So 1 is same as 1 square, similarly 4 is same as 2 square. Applying this formula over here, this one, then 1 by 2 into a is 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2. Then log of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 7 by 5, 1 by a, here 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus some constant. Okay, so this is same as 3 1s are 3, 3 upon 5 2s are 10 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus here 7 upon 5 2s are 10, 10 inverse x by 2 plus c. Okay, this is the required answer.